Okay, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 packs of Crown Zenith with the pins. Then I found these sitting around. I don't know what the heck they are. This one I think is just two. Fusion Strike and something else. And then I can't tell what these are. It says 2023, so it has to be from this year. And they're getting ahead of the curve, or the bunny. Get the fireball rolling with Candace. Capture regions worth of memories and show the world how far you've come with glossy enamel pen featuring Galar's fully evolved first partner Pokemon. You'll also find ready to play promo card and set booster pack special of Crown Zenith. Okay, so every single one's backwards. Okay. Capture region with the blah 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 first partner, same thing. Blah, 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 blah. Same thing. Okay. Let's get the ball rolling. If I can get this fucking thing open. There we go. Packs. Pack. Card. Code. Three packs, pen. So where's the code? There's the code. Code. Okay, now look at the pins. I think Score Bunny was the only one I actually used of the game I played. I didn't play the other one that I had. I started it, but I get like the special Pokemon app. I never finished it or anything. I got very far. And I think it's just Sword and Shield. Nope, it's all the same artwork. Funny. Unless this is a special set. Poodle. Love it. Sphinx. Energy removal, Meowth, Turtwig, Droodle, Water Energy, Digging Duo, Luxon, Lost Vacuum, and a code. Whoops. Meowth, Whaler, Shinx, Corfish, Poodle, Aggron, Rayer with his, he signed it, Meta Energy, Friends and Sinnoh, Gloom, Ultra Ball, and a code. My leg's falling asleep. Sorry. Skirup, Hippotol, Waloo, Shinx, Pancham, Sizzle, Rotom V, Dark Energy, Digging Duo, Girafarig, Pancham, and a code. Okay. Let's continue. I had to stop for a minute there. Or hell, even longer. Okay. Sandalwood, Bidoof, Coughing, Sunkern, Mr. Mime. Wow. That's a loaded pack. Deoxys V-Star, and then Pikachu. Dark Energy, Dusclops, Sandile, Pokemon Catcher, and a code. Seal. Oddish. Kribbish. Pokeball, Wilmer, Skip Blue Reverse, Zacian, Grass Energy, Duskull, Crushing Hammer, Skipple, and a code. Hopefully people actually use those things. So I just throw them away. Bullet, Meowth, Wilmer, Shinx, Kribbish, Solrock, Blossom, Electric Energy, Gloom, Crush Hammer, Ultra Ball, and a code. Purloin, Love Disc, Chet, Yemen, Ponded, Nissa, Wailord, Metallurgy, Energy Switch, Mentag, Trekking Shoes, and a code. Love Disc, Sherrit, Yanma, Paladin, Bidoof again, Tuplid, Oranguru, Psychic Energy, Lexo, Electrid, Ultra Ball, and a code. Okay, last of these packs. Okay, 2 weeks later, or more than that. I don't know how long it's been, like a month or two. And I'll finally see what's inside of this. It's probably nothing, but hey. I got a phone call in the middle of it, and then life happened. Galar Meowth, Wailmer, Shinx, Corphish, Pondand, Zarude Reverse, Healeric, Fighting Energy, Bishop, Pokemon Catcher, Graveler, and a code. Well, that's it. Got the regular editions and then the Galarian editions. Expand your collection with 3 foil Pokemon TCG featuring Articuno, Zapdos, Moltres, plus Metallic Coin, 2 Pokemon TCG boosters, and a code. And I don't think the code works anymore. That worked great. Moltres. Articuno has been damaged. And then Zapdos. Score Bunny. The code. And then it's a Silver Tempest and an Astral Radius. Mischievous. The Rich Scyther. Cute little Eevee. A Heracross. A reverse Huisi. Swan Fish, Fighting Energy, Aphids, a Trainer, Fish, and a code. And Silver Tempest. Krogunk, Solus, Zubat, Agami, Fungus, Among Us. You get the Reverse Sandcastle, Bravery, Electric Energy, Toxapex, Clang, Lance, and the code. Give your collection a boost. Expand your collection with 3 foil Pokemon TCG cards featuring the Galarian versions of Articuno, Zapdos, and Moltres, plus Metallic Coin, 2 packs. It's funny, it says the exact same thing as the other one. Just takes off the word, just adds the word Galarian or Galarian. Whatever it is, as I said, I'm not a professional. If I actually made money off of these videos, I'd bother to learn how to say their names properly. You get the kitty cat coin. Articuno. Code. Zapdos and Moltres. Astral Radiance and Fusion Strike. Fusion Strike, the one where a lot of the hollows or rares are stolen by someone at the factory. Come on, you stupid phone. Pansage, Minun, Biltoy, or Baltoy, Corsola, Quillfish, Bunary, or Bunley, Reverse, Aquadid, Water Energy, Bug Catcher, Wigglytuff, Frolic, and a code. So far, these legendary bird packs kind of suck. All you do, you're buying them literally just for the legendary birds, basically. At least mine experience. Excuse me. Burlish Scyther, recognize that one. Eevee, recognize that one. Recognize that one. Pellet Reverse, recognize that one. Water Energy. Paloswine. Super Effective Glasses. Bonzong, and a code. And that's it. Well, thanks for watching. I can't really do the previously or reverse things of them, like what I got in each pack, because this episode was recorded over multiple days. because I got a phone call and I had to stop. And then I came and did another one, and then I realized when I was editing that I was supposed to show these ones, so yeah. Thanks for watching and have a good one.